Hello, I am Raphael Dumont and we are here in Lake Garda, Italy. I am 31 and I'm from Chamonix, but nothing compares to this amazing landscape here in Italy. I'm going to be attempting a world first jumping, wing jump, right here in Lake Garda. I'm going to climb the mountain and a free fall wing jump from the top of the mountain as quickly and as close to the mountain edge as possible, flying down. And then as I come down, I will not be using my chute, and I will end up skimming on the lake, and instead of bouncing, I will hope to kind of glide in at a trajectory similar to a plane, like.
You've got one shot, you've got no engine, you can't go back round. So basically, once you commit, once you go below an altitude of 150 feet, you're landing, whether you like it or not. If you come in too steep and too fast, then you're going to skip really hard and tumble and maybe hurt yourself. So you need to come down, really flare, get the suit going as slow as possible, and then come down on your belly and skim it through.
We just finished climbing for 2 hours. The ledge is just up there. Let's go.
"30 seconds before landing." I repeat, 30 seconds before landing. Team on standby, please.
That was nuts! Wow! That was incredible! Oh. You see it here first, Lake Garda. Raphael Dumont here in the beautiful setting of Lake Garda. World first land with no chute. Wow, it was incredible. Yes! Yes!